Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to what to do with the beginning tail of the ruffled water shawl. So I asked you to leave a longish tail in the beginning. That was so that we can close this little V here. So the shawl, so this is the center of the shawl. I made a small swatch with about 13 rows. So you have this little V. The shawl does not sit like this, so for it to sit in a proper triangle, I'm going to close this little, this was the original 7 chain that we created for the foundation row. We'll close that. So to do that, I have found the first chain. So if you remember, we made the foundation row in the top and back loop. So this was the bottom loop that was remaining. So this is the last one and this is the first one. So you need to identify all of your bottom loops. So we will join the first and the 7th, the 2nd and the 6th, the 3rd and the 5th. We'll let the 4th be. So that will close this little V here. So to begin, so another thing here is that I have the edging on both sides. You may or may not have this edging. So if you do not have this edging, you can skip the part where I the first part here, which I'm going to take this needle and put it through the first slip stitch on the reverse pass side, pull it through. So you can skip this and this, which is find the first slip stitch on the forward pass side, insert your needle, and pull it really snug so there is no yarn in between. So you can skip these 2 steps if you do not have the edging, but if you do, then you need to do this. Or even if you're making your edging after completing the shawl, so you need to close this before you make your edging. So after you've done this, fold your shawl, the front together so your back faces you, and then find those back loop stitches. So this is one and this is one. So pull this tight, insert your needle in the first, I think this one's the first and the 7th, and oops, my yarn isn't, okay. So the first and the last tightly, and then the 2nd and the 6th, and then the 3rd and the 5th. This is my 4th one here, and we're just going to let it be. So just nice and tight. If you open, you can see, oh, let's get rid of these now. We don't need them anymore. So if you can see that your edge is joined and there is almost an invisible join here, and your spine sort of just continues, and you can just maybe tie a knot, or however you do it, just do that. Well, I'm going to cut this yarn eventually, and just weave in your tail as you would. So that is how you close the beginning V of your ruffled water shawl.